Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to create a bot that can transfer the call to a live agent. So in this scenario, we have a sample bot that is for solar solutions. It has a virtual assistant named Solana. So the first portion of the bot represents the introduction, or you can say the summary of the bot. In this summary, you need to assign the name of the bot, its duties, and the primary duty of this bot is to determine if someone is eligible for the particular program of this bot. Then you need to transfer the call to a live agent. If the person does not qualify for the given program conditions, then you need to inform them politely. Okay, so you've assigned the name and duties, and now your script is designed in such a way that you need to ask customers about their electricity bill, home ownership, shading around their home, and their credit score. All these questions are the qualifying questions that you need to ask to determine eligibility for the program. Then, you need to either transfer the caller to the live agent if they qualify, or politely inform them that they don't qualify for the program. Okay, so in addition, if the customer asks anything outside of this script, which is considered an objection, the bot should be able to handle it professionally and according to the script. After that, you need to maintain a professional and respectful tone throughout the conversation, as this reflects the bot's personality. Okay. If the customer deviates from the script, the bot should handle it according to the script and provide its own service. Okay. After that, we say that this is your duty to maintain a professional and respectful tone. You are essentially embodying the bot's basic personality. You will assign 3 things: the name, the duties, and if there are any qualifying questions, you will follow the script. You will tell the bot that if the person qualifies, you have to transfer them. Otherwise, do not transfer. You must ensure that the bot communicates everything respectfully and professionally, and stays focused on the script and follows it diligently. What is the script? The script is this part. This part is basically the conversation. The conditions under which the bot will answer specific parts of the script. And these are the conditions marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, respectively. These are the commands. Commands are anything inside the small brackets. Okay? At this point, if the person answers the call, this is the greeting message that the bot will say. One thing to note is that everything the bot says must be accompanied by a question. This ensures a conversation is built between the human and the bot. For example, before transferring your call to the department team, I would like to ask, do you have an average monthly electricity bill of around $100? This question determines eligibility. What happens if every answer from the bot is followed by a question? A conversation is built between the human and the bot. Let me show you an example before we transfer your call to the department team. I would like to ask, do you have an average monthly electricity bill of around $100? This is a qualifying question. If the customer qualifies up to this point, you ask more qualifying questions to determine if they meet all conditions. The first part of the script should be designed to consider the customer as the right fit for the program. Then, at the end of the script, you will address disqualifications, politely informing those who do not qualify. If he qualifies, transfer to the live agent. If not, politely inform them. I regret to inform you that you do not meet the current requirements. Thank you for your understanding. Have a great day. This is another command. Disconnect. The bot says this when the caller is not eligible for the program. What about other qualifying questions? If the customer does not have a bill over $100, the response is the same, whether the customer owns their home or not. And if they have shading, the reply is the same. Okay. And what about the credit score? If it's not above $640, you send an email but inform them they don't qualify. You decide the qualifying criteria for your business. Then you ask if the customer is interested in solar energy. If they agree, ask why they're interested. What is the main reason you want to explore solar energy? If they share their reasons, tell them you'll connect them to a live agent. This is the transfer command. The call will be transferred to the live agent at this point. After that, you have the denial conditions. If the customer does not have a bill over $100, they do not qualify. You say, I regret to inform you that you do not meet our current requirements. Okay, and you disconnect, this is another command. Okay, you use disconnect because that lead is not eligible for the program. The same response applies to other qualifying questions.
And what about the owner or the credit score? If he does not have a credit score above 640, you will say, "Okay, we will send you an email so you can check your score. But unfortunately, you do not qualify for our program." And the script itself includes all the questions. In the end, if the customer says, "I'm not interested, I don't want to talk to you," the bot will jump to this condition and say, "Okay, I apologize for the inconvenience. If you want to know more about our solar services, please get in touch with me.
I'll provide you with my details. Have a great day." This provides a basic idea of how to create a bot that can answer qualifying questions, determine if the person qualifies or not, and transfer only those qualified leads
to the live agent. Just for a quick review, you give the introduction, you provide the commands, and after these requirements, if the customer is willing to proceed with the call, you will start asking qualifying questions. If the customer acknowledges every condition, you will ask more qualifying questions until all the qualifying questions have been asked. There will be only two scenarios, qualifying or disqualifying. If the person qualifies, they will be transferred to the live agent. If not, you will say, "I regret to inform you that you do not meet our requirements," and disconnect the call. This process is designed to help you build a bot for your specific business needs.